Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today is weekend and we are gonna planning to make pizza because today it's a little bit raining, so we are not doing grilling outside. So here we are making pizza, so stay with us. So here first he took a warm water. Actually my husband gonna make pizza. He likes to make pizza and it would be very always yummy. Now he's adding sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar he's adding into the warm water. Here 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now little bit of maida, like 1 tablespoon of maida. Now he's stirring it well to mix it nicely. So that there won't be any lump. Now he's adding the yeast. It's a dry yeast. I'll show you the packet, which brand it is. It's Active Dry Yeast. You can see that it's a Red Star brand and it's non-GMO. So now we have to he's mixing the yeast also. So water has to be a little bit warm, of course, and some sugar we need, and then it just mixed 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of maida and yeast in the warm water. He just mixed it, cover it, and then he's keeping inside of the oven. You can see we didn't set any temperature, we just turned our light on so that it would be it will be like kind of warm, and we'll set it for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes we took it out and you can see it's already got fermented. Some foam kind of thing is there. Now he is adding some more maida to make the dough. So here he has started mixing the maida. And with maida he is adding some warm milk now. At this stage he is adding warm milk and he's mixing by his hand only. Then it will be very good actually. With spoon you can mix, with big spatula or something, but I don't know how much will it work. And as it is home, we are not wearing gloves also, we are just doing everything by our hand. Of course we washed our hand nicely. So he's now all set to make the dough, and don't need like so much kneading. I think you have to knead it. You have to add little milk and then you need to knead it. Ardit also took some dough by his finger. So he's kneading it. And if it is soft, then you need to add some more all-purpose flour, and then you can make it. See, now our dough is almost ready. It has become smooth and nice. There is like it has become like a ball. Look at the texture, how deep my finger is going. So it's like very soft. Now at this stage we need to add oil from the top so that it won't get dry. If you like apply oil around the dough, then it will not lose its moisture. It will be like nice and soft. So here now again he is like setting this thing inside, keeping the dough inside. So I have started gathering the toppings. So for toppings, onion, capsicum, paneer and jalapeno, some mayo, then hot red chili sauce, and then mozzarella cheese and mild cheddar cheese. So all these things I'm gonna use. We have come outside because Ardit wanted to go, as he got a Fitbit So he just wanted to count his steps. So I said, okay, let's go to the park. This is our community park. You can see it. It's a small park but it's good for summer actually. Kids can come and play. It has like 3-4 sections, like one for volleyball and basketball, then a small like park for playground for kids, and there is some jogging area too, kind of trail, so you can do some walking here. And there is a wetland, you can see that pond kind of thing, so that's also very nice. So many geese will be coming here during summer. It's very good. Today it's windy. The outside it was raining also. You can see, look at the sky, it's so clouded actually. It has a lot of clouds, but still it's so beautiful. Though it's summer, but still the weather is not like that hot. It's kind of cold only. Already it's like July, and mostly like from November it will be cold only. So mostly we'll get 3 to 4 months for summer. But among the, I think this year we're gonna get only like two months maybe. So here is Ardit. He was going, and I think he went far and then he didn't see me, so he came back. Now I am also gonna chase him. So this is like end of our community. Now we'll go back to our home. This kind of jungle kind of thing is around everywhere. Again, he is gonna go for walking so that it can count his steps, because once he was riding his bike, he didn't get that much count. See, I'll show you one snake. Could you see it? Yeah, there are so many snakes inside of our pond park. Today we went there. Ardit likes to check on them, so I said, okay, let's go. So now we are coming back home. So nice, this flower. I don't know the flower name. Maybe I'll check in internet and I'll let you know. But this is like our front porch. So all these these all are lily, though the flower didn't came. And there are 2 roses also. So now I'm inside and I've started doing cleaning of my stuffs. Then we have to make our pizza also ready, right? So I'm just trying to clean this thing, clean the steps. Good. So our dough is now ready for baking. I think just look at the dough, it has increased in his size, and look at the bottom, because of the yeast, right? It got kind of fermented and it has become like that, and it's very soft actually. Don't stick to your hand, though it looks like not like that much hard, but still it won't stick to your hand. So now we will my husband will do, I think he's gonna roll it on the floor, and then we will make the crust. Ardit is here too. He's enjoying. So here is the rock crust is ready. So we just put that thing inside of the oven. We didn't set any temperature. It just light on, so we need kind of warm, and we're just gonna keep it. Here I made the chicken. This chicken is also for toppings. Just normally I cook the chicken with ginger garlic paste and onion, and I added some potato and peas, you can see, and now I'm adding some chopped tomatoes, and that's it. No and turmeric and red chili powder, that's it. No other extra masala, like no coriander or cumin or not any chicken masala or anything. Just simply I made it. So I think I'll put some for toppings, for pizza toppings, and it will taste really good, and half I will keep for dinner. So here it's ready, and now my husband is setting the oven temperature at 450 degree Fahrenheit, and by that time we are making our pizza ready. So this is the mixture of mayonnaise and the tomato sauce. So we just blend it, and then we are spreading it on top of pizza. You can see. So it's like now we have started doing our toppings, because the base is already ready. So now we are adding some onion, and then he's sprinkling some red chili powder and salt to the toppings, because I didn't do it, I forgot. I just chopped them and I just left it, but I didn't add those, so he just added, and now he's putting those toppings. So for the toppings, if you need good taste, you just marinate those toppings with a little bit of salt and red chili powder or any other kind of masala. You can add a little bit. Now he's adding the chicken, the cooked chicken, whatever I cooked, I showed you, right? So that chicken he's adding on top of pizza, and now I am adding some more chicken. Now we are adding the grated cheese. It has two kind of cheese. One is mozzarella and one is mild cheddar. I think mild or medium cheddar, I think. So we are adding mozzarella was already grated. I bought it like grated one, and another one, the cheddar one, I just grated by my grater actually, and then I'm just sprinkling on top of that. Now he's adding salt from the top, and now I think it's all ready to be baked. Oh, he's adding some more mozzarella. Maybe Ardit said to add more cheese. He likes cheese a lot, so he's adding some more cheese. If you give more cheese, then it will be like more tasty and yummy. So now it's all ready to be baked in the oven, and we already preheating our oven for 450 degree Fahrenheit, and now we are keeping it for 30 minutes. We'll bake it, but in the middle you should check. We need to check actually. We don't know any fixed timing, but that's like our approximate. So after 20 minutes again we will check how much it's done. So here I have started making dinner. I already make the chicken. Now I'm gonna make dal and rice. So here rice I already have started, and now I'm gonna wash the dal, and then I'll just make dal. So for dinner, at least I'm cooking now. I'm in kitchen, so I would prefer to do most of the work now itself. So here it is. So our pizza is ready. You see, it already cooked very nicely. You can see from the top, it looks so yummy. So our pizza is ready. Now he's sprinkling some black pepper, what is like the black peppercorn. So he's just crushing the fresh one, right? He's crushing and then he's like putting it, and now it's all set to eat. and it was super tasty. Actually, I don't know, this time only it has become more tasty. Every time he's making it more tasty, but sometimes I feel like that the base has like little less salt, but this time it was like perfect and we really enjoyed it. It was a lot, so after eating also there was 2-3 pieces left. It was very yummy. You could try it. It's very easy. Only thing it's like a long process, so you need like quite few steps to make it. And if you have kind of patience, and then of course you can try it. And I have described whatever the ingredient we have used, right? So here is our pizza ready, and the bottom portion also cooked very nicely. So now we're gonna have our lunch, and that's yummy lunch. So see you in my next vlog. Thank you.